In this CyberTheo tutorial, we'll take you through the process of creating and using templates in Canva. Whether you're working on social media graphics, presentations, or posters, templates will save you time, maintain consistency, and make your design workflow more efficient. Open Canva. Head to canva.com and sign into your account. You can either start with a pre-designed template from the Canva library or create a new design from scratch. To choose an existing template, type a keyword into the search bar, e.g., Instagram post, and browse the available options. Customize the template. Once you've selected a template, start customizing it. Canva allows you to easily replace the placeholder text with your own content. You can also upload images or use Canva's stock photo library to replace graphics. Adjust the font, colors, and layout to match your brand or project requirements. Add additional elements. Use the side toolbar to add extra design elements like shapes, icons, or charts. You can also include animations if you're creating dynamic content. Canva makes it easy to drag and drop elements into place for a customized, polished look. Save your template. Once you're satisfied with your design, click File in the top menu and select Save as Template. This allows you to use the same design over and over without needing to start from scratch. It will now be saved in your account under All Your Designs. Reusing the template. When you need to use the template again, navigate to your Canva dashboard and click on All Your Designs. From there, select the saved template, customize it for the new project, and download or share it as needed. This is particularly useful if you frequently create designs with similar layouts, like social media posts or branded presentations. That's how you create and use templates in Canva to streamline your design process and maintain consistency across all your projects. Check my links below. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching CyberTheo.